how to recover deleted Telegram account. Unfortunately, deleted Telegram accounts cannot be recovered. Here's why. Why it's permanent. Telegram's deletion is irreversible by design. Once deleted, all data is wiped from their servers. Even Telegram's support team cannot restore a deleted account. What you can try. 1. Contact Telegram support. Open any browser of your choice and go to google.com and type Telegram support and enter. Then tap on the first result and explain your situation. However, chances of recovery are very slim to none. 2. Check if it was auto-deleted. Telegram auto-deletes inactive accounts after 6 months to 1 year. If this happened, unfortunately, there's no way to get it back. 3. Reuse your phone number. You can create a new account using the same phone number, but old messages, groups, and contacts will not be restored. The hard truth. Once a Telegram account is deleted, it's gone forever. No backup, no recovery option, not even from Telegram itself.